We're talking about huge potential for millions of people.
Our therapy enables the brain to repair itself. We call it the cure.
I want you to start testing on chimps ASAP.
We test one subject. I want to make sure it's stable. I designed the 112 for repair, but Caesar's gone way beyond that.
You mean increased intelligence?
With skills that far exceed that of a human counterpart.
This is wrong, Will.
It works.
And what about Caesar? Where does he fit in?
That chimp's company property.
He hasn't spent any time with other chimps.
They're not people, you know.
You're trying to control things that are not meant to be controlled.
They are contaminated. For the most part, I'm glad to put those apes down.
You have no idea what you're dealing with.
I'm foolish, running off at the tulips. Probably wooing all the coolest, persecutors, the boas. Catch me hanging with shooters, rumor destroy your medulla. My mama told me they were screw us, but I already knew it. Who gon' give them peace of